Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gearhead Forge. Today we are introducing y'all to a new project of ours, the 1993 Rallyata. Today we're just going to be getting it put back together and taking it for an off-road thrash. Alright, so to get Rallyata running, we're going to be replacing injectors, fuel rail, spark plugs and wires, and the airbox. First thing first, we're going to replace the O-rings on the injectors because they're pretty torn up. So let's get right to it. So we have the O-rings seated on the injectors. Next step is to put them back in the fuel rail. Once that is in, we're going to do spark plugs and wires, and we will update you guys when that is done.
Something else. Hard to believe when you're all by yourself. If you stay, I'll be by your side. Hard to believe in love, but I'll make you someday. Just be that's what I need. No, I don't mind. Just stay with me.
Alright, so we got fuel rail, injectors, spark plugs and wires back in. Last thing to do is put the airbags back on, fire it up and see how it runs. We're going to check for leaks along the fuel rail since that seems to be a common issue, and then if it's all good to go, we're going to go for a quick thrash outside. Okay, so we have everything on the Rallyata put back together, injectors, spark plugs, everything like that. We did swap over the airbox from the Silver Bullet, and it is displaying almost identical symptoms to our turbo build. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the codes on this car, and it hopefully will match what we're getting on the Turbo Miata, and that should confirm that that is the problem. We have another one on order, and we are gonna put those both in to these cars, and it should fix everything, and it's all gonna be beautiful. So let's see how that goes. Alright, so it is a new day. It is a lot warmer, thank God, so I don't have to be wearing my ski coat outside. We went ahead and got a new AFM for the Rally Miata because we found that it was presenting similar issues to our Silver Bullet when we used the one from that. So, new one, let's install it, see what happens.
Alright, AFM is done. I am not James, but I am here to inform you about what happened. We fixed the AFM by replacing it, got the thermal sensor swapped in. Now we're going to go thrash it around, have some fun. After that, in the next episode, we will look at fixing the clutch fluid and hopefully installing our lift kit. So let's go have some fun.
you next time.